Wow, this is Mainland Bridge in Lagos, Nigeria. Oh, so life can be this good on Mainland Bridge, because they kept on shutting down this bridge every 4 months, and it was not the kind of rehabilitation that was expected. But guys, this is good. Congrats, President Tinubu. This is beautiful. Mainland Bridge. You know, this bridge has been shut down every 3 months, 6 months, causing a lot of inconvenience to Lagosians and those who do businesses here. But this is beautiful. I hope this continues. Mainland Bridge. Kudos, Mr. President. Nigeria can be better. God bless you.